Come in the car? Okay, let's go. Oh, she's got a prickle in her footy.
Oh, she's got 2.
Are you right, Pop?
I got 3. There you go.
Hello everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12! Hi Pop, it's day 12! She hates me today. I don't know what I've done. What have I done? Please tell me what I've done because I really want to know. I really want to know. Whatever, Poppy, you're just making me really sad. You're making Mummy really sad today. Yeah, Mummy's crying now. Seriously tempted to have a Britney Spears moment and just be like, look, I'm cutting all my hair off. I don't care. I'm done with this. But then I thought, Tegan, just relax, just calm down. Everything's gonna be okay. So what I think I might do today is just get a little bit of a haircut. Not too short. And like get really thinned out because it's seriously driving me insane. And then like having a breakdown about it. Oh, and half of it's dead. Needs a tone because it's yellow. Oh, seriously, why can't we all be born bald? Then we wouldn't have to worry about anything. Honestly, these toasties Brandon makes are amazing. He puts them in a fry pan with butter, then he puts an egg on them and cheese, and then he puts like chicken salt on the outside. Seriously, they're the best. But seriously, if you want to have a heart attack, I would suggest eating about 3 of these. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Nan's now and get like a little haircut. I'm not going short, I'm just gonna chop like this much off. It's so dead, I can't actually tell. I need to like start treating my hair better. It's a mess, I need help. What's some good like hair conditioners and treatments and stuff? No new Christmas presents under here. Nope, still the ones I put under the other day. Damn it, I love snooping. So yes, I'm getting this bloody shithole cut off. No, I'm not cutting all of it. I'm just getting a little bit cut off. Would you still love me if I was bald? No, I'm not going bald. Gosh no, I'd cry. So Nanny Poo used to be a hairdresser when she was younger, didn't you?
Much younger.
Look at all my dead hair. Oh, my dead hair. I feel so much lighter now. And my hair grows really quickly. So I won't have to feel guilty. Alright, so I've been shopping at like JJ's and Priceline. I found a shirt that I could wear for Christmas Day. It's so cute. It says Christmas Pugs and Kisses XO. It's got you on there. Well, kind of. It's got you on there. And from Priceline, since I cut my hair a little bit, I want to start looking after it a bit more because I only ever wash it once a week. I know that sounds horrible. I need to start taking care of my hair. I really hope you can hear me because there's an air conditioner on the background. But I got the Orchid Oil shampoo, and then I got the Orchid Oil conditioner. I thought that looked really nice. And this is a repair and gloss treatment, ultimate repair. So it's for damaged, heavily damaged and dry hair. So I thought after I shower I put that in. So I've got a Christmas shirt I can wear on Christmas Day, which I've been trying to find. Well, actually no, I didn't try and find it. I've just been really wanting to like, where am I? Okay, so I left my fish oil on the windshield. They've all like, kind of melted in the sun. Because I normally like use it as a stand for like when I am filming. And I obviously left it there, so now all my fish oils are all melted. This is so funny. There's birds down here. Poppy and Barnes are just barking at them, but they keep like flying up here. Okay, so today, mind my McDonald's in the car. Apart from that, my car is actually pretty clean. So my gear stick thingy has fallen off, and this has it just fell off. Oh no. So what I'm trying to do is fix it, but I couldn't find any super glue, so I just got some nail glue, you know, basically the same stuff. Don't come for me. Ta-da! All fixed, all brand new. You know, there you go. If you ever run out of super glue, just grab some nail glue. I don't actually suggest that you use super glue, not nail glue. I'm also gonna buy more of these like hair gummies because I really need to start using them. I reckon they work. They taste so good too. Yum. I don't know where they're from. They're from BioGlan. It's got vitamin C, biotin and zinc. It supports collagen production, promotes healthy hair, skin and nails. So I'm gonna re-tidy my beauty desk and clean some of the room because it is getting messy and I can't stand it when it looks like that. So much effort. So guys, I'm going to finish my vlog here because my battery's about to die and I only have a couple of more hours until I have to work. So if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. Comment below if you think my hair's cute. I really like it. So yeah, I will try and do some more interesting things tomorrow, like take Poppy for a W. Can't say it too loud because she's right behind me. You know, I'll walk. Yeah, I don't know, again, I'll just go with the flow. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to... oh, there's nothing else. I don't know what I was going to say. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow in vlog... I thought there was something on me. In Vlogmas day 13. Oh my god, it's nearly Christmas, Poppy! Alright, bye!